I've started recording again. This is the new recording, and you see by the delay in time how much it was since my wife, thank you wife, my food. Otherwise I forget to eat and drink and sleep, which is the trouble with us workaholics. We get gout and we suffer the pains of no sleep, no drink, no eat, because we're so busy working. Okay, see all my different master levels are there, like that, working as usual. Headphone levels work as usual, mic boost levels work as usual, and so on. Everything is working. Shoot if I want to. It's saving automatically to there it is there. That's what it's saved. So I just close that. And so it captured whatever it captured. I'll try again. Shoot. There's a 4-second delay. That's right, I'll outline that. There it is, captured that. So then I can use that. How do I save it? There is a way of saving this, and save them, and then I can up, down, whatever, and format it, save it, but I'll cancel that. Okay, so dismiss. Okay, and we just close it. That's how the shoot part works of Qbittorrent. Right, I'll close this one, minimize it for save. Now I did install the restart over here and it didn't go. Try again. It didn't. No, it didn't go that time either. Try again. No, didn't go. Okay. The software update. There shouldn't be any software to update because I've just done that before. Just check again. It's going in the background. Oh, I've got to file to reload. Check the cables in. It comes out easily on this. I've made it so it goes in and out easily on the notebook. Oh, still more updates. Install the updates. Okay. So there were updates. Install. These are the ones that's updating. Just 2 files that updated. Must be some extra software I added which requires the updated library files up to date. Okay, and the other programs work as usual. Qbittorrent, and I agree. Now make that small. On Linux it's a bit better than different from preferences. Right, don't worry about that. English Australian. Okay, I'll open up. There we go. It's going to go on my SSD. It's faster, so it's open up. Delete that. It's nothing much really. Delete. Now, the other thing that's worth deleting is drive C. These this hibernation rubbish. Delete. Page file. Delete. And the other swap file. Delete. That's Windows. Oh, you know, there's hardly any space at all, but it does get in the way. That's what, if you run it. So it's got 20 gigabyte free of a 40 or 50 gigabyte hard drive. I've already deleted the rubbish fonts on this, so you find the rubbish fonts in Windows in System 32. So no rubbish font. There's English there, but English is an international font, language font, and the other one is 64-bit. There, and there's no rubbish font. Again, the English one's there. I've got rid of all the rubbish fonts there. So that's how you tidy up the Windows fonts, rubbish fonts. It's that show minimize. I'll do that. Inhibit that. Inhibit. Now this save path is different, so what I need to do is make it a bit bigger. I'm going to, that's why I open that other driver. Save path is going to be on drive E. It's going to go to media. With media, it's my name, drive E, and it's going to go into save path into downloads. Choose. There it is there. Log file, save path. It is okay. That'll do for the moment. And then downloads. Alright, don't want to look at torrent content. Don't want to do subfolders. Maybe I want to delete torrent afterwards. Okay, we'll do that. Add that so I know which one it is. No, don't worry about the recursive stuff. Do it automatically there. Relocate. Okay, leave. I don't know. Leave that there. Default. Change that to, I don't know. Leave it there. Okay. Now, don't worry about subcategories. Default save path. Computer. Now, mount. Let's mount. Media, mount, media, G, extras, downloads, there, right, incomplete files, again, media, G, extras, incomplete, right, copy torrent files to no. Oh, that's right. When I copy them to computer root, go on, double click, media, me, and torrents there. Choose. Now, finish downloads. Don't worry about that. Now I want to add entry here. So I want to go to torrents there. That's where the copies that torrents from there. No need email when it's done. There's not many downloads there. Connection. Alright, leave the default there. That's okay. Speed. Leave the default there. Okay. BitTorrent. Again. Maybe leave the defaults there. I like maximum downloads because I have a high speed. There. There. And do not count slow. Okay. Turn that a bit down a bit. Add trackers from these new downloads. So this is the tricky one here. If I'm searching for new downloads, so I go back to it here. We go back to my A drive. There, archives, internet, peer-to-peer, search, and we want torrent search text. There we go. Display. Now, Control A, copy, Control C, then paste, and they will go in there. So there they are. Apply. Automatically have these. Okay, and then apply. So I can close this, close that, and then RSS, don't muck around with that. Remote control, don't muck around with that. Advanced. Generally I don't muck around with this either. Display notifications. Oh, I don't know. I don't like being notified. Maybe I'll leave that on. Okay, default. Enable speed graphs. There is a way of showing the in the top bar what's happening there, but too much trouble. I can't be bothered. Apply. Okay, done. So now this one, right click. I don't care about the number. I don't care about tags. I don't care about category. Don't care about ratio, don't care about up speed. Right, let's see how we're going. What do we got? ETA, I want that up front, make it a bit smaller. I want done, maybe up front, a bit smaller. We want status up front, make it a bit smaller. Size to go last. Seeds to be a bit smaller, and peers to be a bit smaller. Maybe the down speed is more important sometimes, like that. And then that's it. Okay. Now what we do is view, speed and toggle bar, search engine. Now there's a search engine there. Underneath search plugins, check for updates, and there's download some plugins. Okay, done, close. So it's got search plugins, so I can search here. So 2020 March. I am putting more words, but that'll do for the moment, and I'll search around for things to go with March this year and whatever you want. So they are there. So and then I'll just close. I can do another search like April there, and then I'll do April as well, and different ones. See, those are March, April, close. So that's how the torrent system works, and I'm not sure what this bar is. Follow system style. Oh, icons only. That's better. I like icons only. Okay. So that's how BitTorrent works. And the up close to tray can be changed. So what I can do is how do I do it here? Is this BitTorrent? No. Where's the tray? Is it up here? Can't see the tray. See, it's crazy. Where's the tray? Anyway, it's Ubuntu Budgie, not Bodie, and I'm wondering if I made where I made the initial error. It's called Budgie. So Budgie, that's it. So rename, uppercase U, right there. Okay, and then apply, close, and then close that. Okay, so we're set, and this is the version I'm running now. I normally would like a way of closing down quickly. I would normally like right click, left click, nothing happens up here. I want to change these silly top bar stuff so it somehow behaves more my wishes, and might be Budgie upload, Budgie desktop settings. Right. Yeah, maybe that's it. So I don't know. Oh, I see, that's what happens. Dark. I don't, it's too dark for me, maybe. Light. Okay, I'll leave it like that. Icons, high color maybe. Okay. And Jim said white, top right, bottom right. Built-in theme maybe, I don't know. No, it's too much. Okay. So desktop, 3 desktops at the moment, but home directory, then it would trash. I want the trash there. It's on the desktop. Mounted volumes, I don't want them on the desktop. Fonts, I want them all to be a bit bigger maybe, or they're already big enough. Okay, I want the maybe try what full, see what happens with full. Volume level above 100. Budgie calendar, output style calendar. Power strip, don't know what that is. I'm not running on a battery, so I don't need it. Right, standard, I go for left there. like that, the Macintosh style. The reason I do that is so I can do that and close it if I want to, so I can drag it over. Top panel, okay. Edge applet, so settings, position, top. Oh, this is the size here, like that, so I can make it bigger for bad eyesight people like me. Automatically hide intelligently, right? So dynamic transparency, I don't know, I'll leave it dynamic. Shadow off. Stylized regions, okay, I don't know, I see. We'll leave it like that maybe. And dock mode, that's better, I like it like that. Okay, auto start. GK Curl does start, that's good. And oops, I better turn the music on. My other person is running around. Turn the music on. It's my smartphone being turned on, and there we are. So Ray wants there. I just want to power strip is just to leave it on, see what happens. I've got no idea what it does, so it's okay. Alright, we close that. Budgie settings we've done. Budgie applets, this is the one I find interesting when I've explored it. Now make that bigger, so these are installed or removed as I like. I do like the brightness controller. Normally they have an order of popularity or order of rating, two different items. They don't do that, they don't know how to do it, or they don't bother, too lazy or too busy. Now clocks, frequency, just hot corners, but it doesn't work. Last time I tried it, I don't know why. It's maybe it's the video problem, or X display, XOR display, not sure. Screen rotation, lock, screenshot, no. System monitor, I don't have it on this computer. On other computer systems you might have it, that problem. The workplace stopwatch, no, don't alter. There's not much variety there. Can't go to the top of the screen easily. The easiest way to go to the top of the screen is that way. Budgie desktop settings, right. We've done that, so go back one. Install software. Come on, where is it? Oh, Budgie, I see recommendations. Okay. Dropbox, Flatpak. We want Flatpak. Applying that. New STAP applications. We want STAP's already installed. Dropbox. Enable Budgie repositories. Okay. That's applying there. Right. Our password this time. So go back one. So that's the themes and layout. This is the yes. So different designs of themes. I don't know which one I've got already. These are installed, but are they being used? That's what we don't know. So it's a black theme, which is hard for old people like me with poor eyesight. So maybe the sad theme, maybe I've got it, I don't know, I'll try it out. So that's applying that. And there's no color themes there. They don't know what color is. And there's no plain background themes. I think the respins of based on your budget, you might be able to do better. Let's look at community. Support, forums, no. That's if you want support, etc. Brazil, we're not in Brazil. So, recommendations we've done, features we've done, get started we've done, introduction we've done. So go back to the main menu, or maybe this is the main menu. It's not very clear. Okay, close that. Budgie settings, close that, and we're set. Now, I like the menu being in the middle because it's closer to wherever the cursor is. Normally it's up here in the top left corner. See the when I move the mouse up there, it should be opening up some kind of other thing, exotic thing. It's not doing that. That's even though I asked it to put it on. So Budgie, desktop settings, done that. Applets, we've done that. Discourse, themes, layouts, done that. Color, well, I don't know what that is. Oh, we've done that. Okay. So dolphin, she parted there, GK crawls there. So onboard settings, we've done all that. So we're ready, just about done, ready to use software. I'm going to now run Slimjet, my preferred browser. Turn off the ad blocker. Log in. Settings. Turn on the sync. Put in my that's ready for the double click on the tab, right, so click there, it's bringing up that 14 degrees in Canberra, that's what it is, Canberra. So double click, and columns, 100% view, background color, bit too bright. Close that, save it, save, and there we are, my normal favorites there. So I'll click that. Now Let's do that. Right click that. Right click. Hide. 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 I don't want. Oh, I like equalize it. Right click. Hide. 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 Right click. Options. Want the rare. Customize it. Maybe have a bit wider than normal. It's the other way. Wrong way. And then that's it. Save. Oh, there. I'll do the background color. I want the blue color. There. Oops. Try again. Save. Right. So double click that. Double click that. Double click that. Double click that. Open that. Double click that. Oh no, I won't do it yet. So right click. Hide. 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 Right. I'll turn this on a right click. Disable. Okay. Right click. Hide. 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 These are okay. They're in the right order, so they're in place. History map, settings button, manage extensions, change case, spelling bee, undo, close tabs, and so on. So this is all set up now. So Gmail is the top one, then YouTube, distro watch there. See what distro watch comes up with. Now all these ads here. So right click, add block, block this ad, there, block good's good, block it, done, that's done, okay, etc. It goes like that. So then next one is the next one here, Linux news. So if I want to look at Linux Softpedia, the news items there, anything Linux newsy comes there. I've already read that for today, so I won't need to do it. The other area of Linux news is, where are we? Open source. That also has good Linux news, but it requires a lot of attention and time to go through this. So Linux News 5.7 coming on. So for example, I want to open up a new window, and then if I want to look at any Linux news, Huawei changes its patent story, and so on. So what else? Linux, how much does Debian matter? Move that over there, okay. And that's available for download, we know that already. So that's from Linux News. and so I'll look at this one tonight. Single click. The font might be a bit too small, so check here. See, it's 100%, but I do that in settings. So settings, there, we go down here. 100%. We'll make it a bit bigger. 125 maybe. Alright, 110. There we are. I'll do it for the moment. Right, it's better now. So Linux and Debian, how much does it matter? Except their stuff there, and we doesn't really matter. I read that and comment on it later. Right, there we go, the bottom of the screen. Let's go to the top of the screen. Right once, then up, top, down, bottom. Whoops, try bottom again. There we are. So I want to find the comments part. Read his comments. So be first to comment, and then I don't know if it remembers me. Yes, it does. So sign in, and then it'll remember me. Welcome, Greg, etc. So, but I'll go back one screen, and go back one more screen, and then refresh that. So refresh, and then it should show me down as being able to make a comment. So I'll read that later. If I close that like that and then bring it back again like that, and it'll come back up straight away. If I right click there, it'll show all the ones I've closed before if I want to. So this one here, add blocker, I don't really want that. Left click there, customize toolbar, right, take that off there. Okay, and these are okay in that order. Okay, it remembers my default there. I can put any of these over there if I want to, but I don't bother. So that's done, and that changes the order as I like it there in place. Right, now I won't look at this for the moment. 5.7 save as. Now other locations, we'll go into my data folder, data, computers, operating systems, and let's see what Linux I could put under there. Well, the other one is I could put under, go back to the A drive, others, Ubuntu, now kernel, so we want kernels. There we are, kernels. Now we want 5.7, so right click, how do I make a new folder? So 5.7, 5-7, and then it'll save into there. So I'll make it smaller. I want it to be HTML only. Done. Save. So that comment's put in the right folder, 5.7, and that explains the changes there. If I want to add comments, I can do so, but at this stage I'm not too sure on whether I need to add comment on that, and there's no further references that I might want to go to, perhaps, I don't know. So I double click, close that. What's this one here? Right click, go to the top, Debian, right, say that one, save as. We'll go to LMDE, it's others, and it's Debian base, LMDE, goes into data. Oh, I'll just save it there, okay, save there, okay. They're done, if I want to look at it later. And that's how I double click, close that. So that's how I use it. I'll show all, I want to close those, clear that, clear all if I want to know where I double click that, close it. And that's how I use Slimjet if I want to like that maybe. Close it, then open it up again. You'll see the Slimjet. It's down here as well. There it is there, the one I just closed. So that's how I use Slimjet. Just see how this is going. Stop recording and then save the file into the right place for me to show later.